Well, good morning. Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you're with me. My name's Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a Forex trader here to help you understand the market from an Elliott wave perspective. I got to go meet with my body this morning at my church, and I want to um, get a video out to you because I love you. I want to take care of you, and today's the big day. We've got BAKKT coming out. We're going to have a lot of manipulation going on in the market. The market's trudging down, so let's look at it very carefully. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. You're going to get daily Elliott wave calls every day. That's a little redundant, isn't it? You're going to get daily Elliott wave trajectories and wave forecasts every day. You're going to get lessons in Elliott wave psychology and good trading practices. It's just a fantastic channel, and it's always growing and always changing, and it's based upon what you guys are needing and wanting. So, doing more live streams as they are needed when the market's moving as well. So, really enjoying this, and thanks for making it what it is. We've already hit 1,100 subscribers, and you guys are just like fantastic. It's because you guys are commenting and liking and subscribing. You guys are growing the channel and sharing the content. I'll do my best to keep improving. I will keep yawning. I guarantee that. If I just made you yawn, ha. But anyway, I'll do my best just to keep improving and keep a little color of humor along the way and just have some good time with you. All right, want to tell you about our Telegram group as well. We've got 9 slots left for anybody that wants to jump in. Just join the Patreon group for whatever monthly support you'd like to give. 9 slots for whatever monthly support you'd like to give. And then in there we give, I've just been updating the people. I stay very, very tight with everybody in there, let everybody know what's going on in the market. We trade together, we talk together, we share charts, I share videos, much more videos than you get on YouTube. So definitely worth the cost. Ask anybody in the group, and if you're in the group, you might put a little testimony down there of your benefit there, and so that people know what's going on there. So once those 9 slots are filled, the first 9, then I will email you, give you links to the group, and then after that it'll go to a flat rate monthly from there, because then the group's going to be pretty large and it's going to be a lot of work for me, and I need it to benefit the family as well. So that's what's going on. No sales pitch here, and I'll give you all kinds of free content as much as I can. All right, very good. Let's jump in. Looking at BTC right now. Okay, so right now my play is I've been thinking about that BTC needs to come on up here. It doesn't have to, but that's the play that I've been planning for. Been looking for something like this. Okay, we did get a little bit of a reversal last night right here, and so the question is that our reversal? I don't think so. I don't know, but I don't think so. It could be, but it might not be. So we're gonna have to talk about, okay, what's the evidence supporting whether that's a reversal or not. But basically, what I'm looking for, let me just zoom out here so I can give you the big picture of what I'm kind of thinking the wave play and the wave action is going to be. We have basically 3 waves to the downside. I was looking for 3 waves to the upside. Then I was looking for another 3 waves to the downside like that. That might be too complex for this area because what I was calling that is basically that was the W, that all that would have been the W wave of our Y wave. Then we're going to get an what was that called? We're going to get an X wave, then we're going to get another Y wave here, or an ABC, whatever you want to call it. We're going to get moved down like that. Now, does that have to happen? No, it doesn't have to happen. That is a valid way for this play to go down. Are there any other valid ways for this to go down? I mean, yeah. Just take a peek here. Let's see here. There's 3 waves right there. This is 3 waves right there. We could be heading down now for the W, X, and then Y like that. So yeah, this could go just going down from here. It doesn't have to go up from here. What's the likelihood? I don't know what the wave's telling me. I'll just tell you what I'm seeing right now. This looks like it's going to do that, maybe, but I'm not sure. And I'm not sure if it's going to go all the way up here or not, or if it's just, so we'll have to wait and see on that. I don't know that today is the safest place to be trading. We are, in my opinion, have a bear tendency. We may want to just think about doing shorts, as particularly that we're not getting this follow through on this wave that like we would like to, or at least it's not coming quite yet. So let's zoom in here and see if we're going to get the follow through up to 10.7. But I basically, though, guys, my viewpoint on the market right now is we're looking like we're coming down to 7.5. I'm anticipating Uh, what I thought might happen and what I've been talking about is basically that we're going to get this move to the upside like this, and everybody's going to believe it's going to be a fake out to the upside. That still might happen, okay? It still might happen, but I can't be certain about it. Um, so that we're going to get this fake out to the upside to 10.7, and then it's going to come on down and finish out that wave. So that's the way I'm thinking. That makes a lot of sense to me because that would bust the triangle wide open for everybody. This looks like a triangle for everybody. I don't believe it's a triangle. I think it's a WXY. It's just made to look like a triangle right now. And we're going to get, we're getting the sideways action and then it's just boom. Okay, so that's what we've been getting, the sideways action, and we're just going to get something like that. It might go up first and then down to mess everybody up. We'll have to wait and see, but I think this triangle is prime territory for a fake out. Shoot, they could fake it out to the downside and then take it up. They could. I want you to. It could be a really really fast move down to the downside, then a wick straight back up like that, and that would bring us down. Okay, that would bring us down to our targets zone anywhere from 81 to 75, and they could just wick it straight down and then straight back up. Okay, so anything is possible like that. So be careful. Today, I think BAKKT starts at 8 p.m. Eastern time. I want to show you something I haven't shown you before. It's the IG sentiment. Okay, so this is the IG client sentiment report. This is basically what their clients are doing. They give a report every week on what their clients are doing, and what you'll notice here is that everybody is bullish. I mean, blue means bullish, red means bearish. Okay, so all of their clients have long positions. I mean, the majority of their clients have long positions in XRP, and only a few have positions short in XRP. And you'll notice that LTC is next, Ethereum's next. I'm not sure what that is, but Bitcoin is the next one. So you can see that right now it's very very bullish sentiment in crypto. Okay, very bearish. Okay, so if the market makers take it up, who are they going to make money? I mean, I'm just giving. This isn't what this sentiment does. It tells you what the general market sentiment is. That generally the sentiment of the market, because this represents a cross section of the average trader, the average retail trader who's got positions, is telling you that the average sentiment is bullish. So if the market makers take it north and they take it up, well, who are they going to get? If the average trader is bullish, well, who are they going to make their money from? It makes a lot of sense to me that they need to take it down and make everybody change their positions so they can take it down first and then up. So that's an important chart I wanted to show you. Wish I had more time to talk about that, but I don't today. Let's go into the micro count of BTC and let's see what I'm looking at here. Excuse me. I'm going to turn off the mic so I can cough here. All right. So I was thinking last night that this, and I told the people this is looking very impulsive on this wave. On the pullback, I look to get in on that pullback. But I said we have a possibility of just being a 5, 3, and a 5 correction, and that would be ABC. Well, how do we tell the difference between an impulse and a 5, 3, 5 correction? Well, I'm glad you asked. What you do is you just take a quick measurement of that correction. Quick measurement right there. There it is. And it came up to the 1618, right? So you think, okay, but it only wicked up there. You can see the body of the candles came just past the 1276. That's a corrective kind of shape right there. When you have a three wave that's impulsive, it's going to make its way to that 1618 pretty definitively. Okay, it often goes to the 2618, especially in crypto when it's pretty bullish. Okay, so the thing is, this isn't even though it went straight up and it's kind of up, it's not very bullish because it didn't make it to that 1618. We came down, and I bet you a lot of people on this reversal got in because they were looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but my group knows to wait for that to see if we get into more downside. We wouldn't have entered here. We would have entered, But see, the thing is, there's no 5 waves here. This is just 3 waves. Then we get this 3 wave that breaks the territory of the 1 wave. So that confirms that this is corrective and not impulsive. That means we've got more downside to go. Now, that could take 2 shapes. I want to show you those 2 shapes. It could take this shape right here. Okay. And then down. Or this could be 1, 2, we're going to get 3, 4, 5 like that. And this is on its way down. to finish out the correction. Still have targets down here to finish this out, finish this wave out. Still got targets down at about 98.50, as well as let's see. Let me zoom back out a little bit and show you the targets. Targets, please. Yeah, I'm sorry. 98.67 is already hit. 97.81 still yet to be hit. So we could be coming down to reach that. Let's put the fibs on this move right here and see what we might get if it's impulsive and it comes down from here. Yeah, so that would this wave shape would do something like this: 1, 2, 3, down to the 1618, 4, 5, like that. So that's actually quite good. That's actually a good shape. It's looking good for 97.81, potentially as a target to go to the upside some. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. This is a pretty big move. Chances are, I mean, I don't like the measurements here. This looks, it's a very difficult wave to, but this wave is actually looking very impulsive at some level. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even though I don't like the way that measures, that's a potential count right there. That is a potential count. Let's just measure that. It's been a while since I measured it. Yeah, see, this measures the 1276. It's not a likely three wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That might be the third wave of the first wave. So yeah, it's really challenging, to be honest with you, whether what that wave is, what this wave is. I want to say it's corrective, and we're going to get some move to the upside, but it could be impulsive, especially if it continues coming down. Wave shape is difficult. I am doing a live stream this afternoon, this evening, tonight at 8 o'clock. Actually, I'm going to do 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock Central. That's 8 o'clock Eastern. So I'm going to go live right when the BAKKT is on. I'll probably get on early. Maybe let's change that time. Let's do it at 6:30 Central, 7:30 Eastern time. Let's see if that's a good time to go live. See if I can support you guys during that time with some Elliott wave analysis as the market is moving. Now, it doesn't have to do this, but it sure looks like that's what it's going to do. So I'm watching this target down here at, what was that target? I lost it. I took it off. See if we can get it here. I am running so late, guys. I've got to go. Yeah, 97.67. So let me put a target there for you. Something like that. Okay, there you go. That's my target to the downside there. Let's see if we get a move there. Do we have to get that? No, we could get this. Remember, we could get something like this. Okay, and there would be, something like that. So be careful, be wise, be safe. Watch this trend line. Watch a break. If we make it up there, watch that break. I don't know that this is the safest and most comfortable place to be trading in this area because of the news. But just be safe. Make sure you got stops set, and make sure you're just trading with good mentality. Okay. All right. That's all I have time for. To me, just looking at LTC, even though we got this wick here, it looks like it needs to come down a bit, but it may not. Ethereum looks like it needs to come down too. Just looking at it, it looks like it needs to come down one more time, but I could be wrong on that guy. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like we need to come down for a fifth wave. That's my take on it. That's what I've got for you. Where would Ethereum come down? Let me just give you a quick look at Ethereum. Where's our target? Target's here at 205, okay? 205. One more wave down to 205. That would be a nice ABC 535 correction. That's what I'm looking at. Our target is still $69 for or $70, $69.88, $70 for all intents and purposes for Litecoin as well. We could have a 67.70 target there. You guys have a fantastic Sunday. See you tonight at the live stream. Talk to you later. Bye bye.